Welcome. Today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go here to the settings and just tap here to the sound section. Now you'll see here the media volume, the column volume, ring and alarm volume. You can change the volume of your ring, alarm and calls. Also you can turn on vibrate for calls. When someone will call you, you will hear the vibration. Also we got here the don't disturb option. We can turn it on by tapping here. We can also just turn on the don't disturb option for the calls or to the messages. Okay, now we can see that we can change the phone ringtone, the notification sound, the alarm sound by this way. Just you can select the sounds what you liked. Also got here the advanced options like dial pad tones. So when you will dial the number, you will hear the tones. Okay. Also, for example, we got here the touch sounds. If you will turn on this option, you will hear, for example, when you will open the apps, you will hear this tone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.